honestly want to jump my teeth in a dumpling. Honestly. Hey y'all, welcome back to another motherfreaking vlog. And I said motherfreaking because I'm honestly trying to stop cursing, but we'll see about that. So from you guys see me in the back seat, you already know that Madison and I are about to touch the road. Me and Madison outside. We're headed to the mall. We're going to a different mall this time. We're going to a mall that's closer to us, even though that mall don't have shit. But I need to go to Old Navy because Madison grew out her shoes. Some of her shoes, she didn't really get a chance to wear them. So that's what I'm about to do. And I also need to stop at H&M because I want some like basic t-shirts for myself. And I need to go to a Bath and Body because I need some wallflower scent and maybe candles, even though I have a lot of candles home. So yeah. And did y'all see that I uploaded a 23 minutes vlog? Bitch, who the fuck am I? Yo, what the hell is wrong with me? I legit just said I was gonna stop cursing. Like, I have a daughter. I don't want her first words to be curse words. Like, who am I? Okay, who am I? But yeah, I think that's my very first long video. Yeah, I think that's my vlog, because I remember when I just started on YouTube, I had videos long as hell. Hey mama. Oh, and tomorrow is my second dose for my vaccine. The vlog that I posted with the vaccine, some of the comments kind of got me scared because everyone was saying like the second dose is like deadly, and I have high pain tolerance, but I'm low-key scared. So I'll keep you guys posted, definitely. And for the rest of the week, today is what? Today's Tuesday. Yeah, today's Tuesday. I don't know what I got planned for the rest of the week. I wanted to go by my mom because I haven't been to Madison. Yes, I want to go by my mom's house. I haven't been there in a while. Plus, I want to take Madison with me. Just for a couple of days, maybe 2-3 days. Nothing crazy. And Madison want to say hi. Say hi, Madison. Yeah, look at Madison hairstyle. This is the first time wearing beads. And her hair is so curly. Like, I know some of it look picked out, but I promise you, it's just that her hair is super curly. Baby. This little girl put everything in her mouth. Everything in her mouth. Thanks. I got my red ball. Yeah. Thanks. Look at her. How she know that's hers? Don't put your mouth on it. Let it go. You trying to fight me? Yeah, do you see this? This little girl trying to fight me. No. No. I'm the mommy, you the baby. No. No. Alright. Okay, mama. Alright. We about to. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off and you're gonna get your snack. What happened? Come take your picnic. Go and buy your business. This big ass store, just one cashier? That's crazy. At least the line's not long. But I want to return these shoes before I actually go and see if I like anything from Madison. I want to return something. Oh, yeah. But I bought them for quite some time. She has never worn them.
Okay. Well, these are Gap.
Oh, I can't return Gap here?
It's Old Navy.
Could I just have a bag for these?
Yep.
Thanks.
I'll put the receipt in there for you as well.
Alright, thank you so much.
No problem.
You can't help me look for that? Are you want me watch her and you do what you do? Do what? So it looks like you're not interested for the register right now. Let's see if it goes. And Tremaine picked out this red underwear for me. He talking about, oh, I don't own one. like this one? 3 for 25, guys, but 1 is for 10. Tell me that's not a damn scam. So let me show you guys what I got from the mall. Like I said, I went to return some shoes for Madison, and I found some really cute ass sandals for her. So this is the first pair. Super cute. And everything I got in 18 to 24 months. I also got her a denim pair. This one. This is super cute. And this is my favorite out of all of them. I also got her this olive like romper jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it. This is also in 18 to 24. I saw this dress on the little mannequin and it was super cute, and her dad was in love with it, so I got that. This camo shorts. Also, I got her that same dress but in a tie and dye print. I also got her a bunch of onesies but with spaghetti strap, because you know it's summertime and it's getting hot. And Madison is not a summer baby. She was born in the summer, but she can't stand the heat. I got her this one. This is super cute. And I also got her this floral one, and this is, I just love this print. And I just realized that this matches the print of the slippers. Also got her this one. I also got her this one, but I couldn't find any 18 to 24 months. So I got her these denim shorts. Super cute. And this stripe one. So that's it for Madison, and the total for everything was $159. Babies are not cheap. So for me, I went to Victoria's Secret. I went there for the 5 for 30 underwear, but them underwears was just not given. So I got me the Illusion bra. I absolutely love the Illusion line of Victoria's Secret. Like, they feel so comfortable. Like right now I have on one and you could hardly feel it. Like, it doesn't show through the clothes, and I absolutely love it. And this was on display and I just took it down. Like, why is it up there? Because I need it. So that's basically everything I got. But right now I'm about to cook me some fish soup for myself and Madison. So yeah, I can't believe it's already 8:30. Like, I wasn't even at the mall for that long. What the hell? My water is boiling, so I'm gonna just add everything. Guys, basically this is a one-pot cooking, and I just add corn, banana, carrot, potato, and white yam. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean Madison. Why are you messing with my camera? I'm gonna go ahead and clean my fish and make me some dumplings. So I'm trying to cook, but this little girl is being fussy. Y'all, this fish is raw as hell. I'm gonna go ahead and add some vinegar to it and some lemon, because I don't have no lime. So now I gotta one-hand it, because every time I put her down, she start crying. Madison, I gotta put you down, baby. Oh. I gotta put you down, mama. Okay, let's see how long that lasts for. Hold on, mama. Oh my god, this shit is disgusting. Madison. Hold on, mama. I'm pissed off right now, guys. Like, I was really looking forward to eating some dumpling in soup, because normally when I make it, I don't be adding dumpling. And because I'm making some for myself and Madison's dad, I said, you know what, I'm gonna put dumpling, because when I make it, it's for Madison. She don't need dumpling. She can't eat dumpling. And I can't believe someone I have none. Like, you know when you feel like you have stuff so you don't have no reason to go look? That was me today, because I'm thinking, okay, I have all the ingredients at home. I don't have to stop at the supermarket. No look on this. No flour. I'm really tight. I'm tired as fuck. So, I'm just gonna rock the soup without the friggin' dumpling. Well, I guess I can't make up for the dumpling, because I just didn't want to jump my teeth in a dumpling. Honestly. Like, why? Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and season up the pot. And I didn't even have pumpkin too. Well, I knew I didn't have pumpkin, but I was gonna use the pumpkin soup instead for the flavor. So yeah, I didn't go to the supermarket. But everything else, I honestly thought I had. So yeah, I'm gonna go season the pot. I'm gonna add this pumpkin flavor soup mix and fish one. See, I didn't even have no pimento seed, but I do have this garlic ginger pimento seasoning, and I also have some fish seasoning. And baby girl, you see this Old Bay seasoning? I'm telling you, this right here is a magic touch, period. And I put it on literally everything, okay? It's not just for seafood boils, it's for everything. So I'm just gonna mix this up in a container.
Yeah, but dope in the bush, dope in the bush. I know how to bitch good looking, bitch good looking, bitch good looking. But dope in the bush, I know how to cook. Yeah. I did the dash. I put a bitch on the thousand. I got a junkie a blast. I said it to mama. I don't feel like the mama. You rats will never be honorable. They know I'm a kid of my word. I hustle the first to the first. These bitches be lagging the kid. They get them on motherfucking nerves. I showed them the racks and they look. I'm smoking that pack on money. Taliban on these hoes. Give a fan to these hoes. Got a plan with the nose. I sleep on the bitch off the avenue. I came to this city for revenue. I put it on your clever baby. I slide on your ass in the self-deuce. Come back in the bitch in a 6 tray. Chevy Mercedes, I keep coming. Took out the bitches, I keep coming. I put on right now in Paris.
So I'm not gonna add the pepper just yet, because I gotta take up Madison's first. So I'm gonna let the soup slow cook, and I'm gonna take me a shower. Honestly, this summer is takeout indoor summer, because being in the kitchen is just not it for me. Like, the heat, I can't take the heat. Me and heat don't agree, and it not gonna work this summer. So if you're in New York and you want to eat up, buddy, just hit me up on Instagram. And I'm serious. I don't know why I still got this hat on. But I'm about to go tie up my hair, take a nice cold shower, eat my dinner, and I'm gonna watch some Netflix. And right now I'm watching a show called Breaking Bad on Netflix. Madison's dad been asking me for 3 years now, no lie, to watch that show, and I told him, like, I'm not interested. It doesn't seem like something I want to watch. But then 2 days ago, I decided to start, and I've been hooked. I'm already on season 3. Don't play with me. Like, when I'm into something, best believe I'm not gonna savor it. I'm gonna finish it. Would it take 2-3 days? I'm gonna finish it. Like, it's not supposed to take me a whole week. And comment down below what shows you guys have been into, because after Breaking Bad, I don't know what else I'm gonna watch. I'm also watching this show called Manifest. It's super, super scary. And I've been rewatching Game of Thrones for the 13th time. I just need new shows to watch. I just got out the shower and now I'm about to eat. So guys, I'm just closing out yesterday's vlog because while I was editing it, I realized that vlog was so long, so I'm just gonna turn it into a daily vlog. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and actually I'm recording my new vlog right now. I just started it, so I'll see you guys in my other vlog. Bye.